Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel.
Oh, hey.
We are on our way back to Colorado Springs. In our last video, we got this place called
Birdcall,
and I have not been able to stop thinking about it, so we are gonna go back there. My eyes are literally on fire right now. I don't know why. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going to Colorado Springs. I'm not sure the whole entire plan right now, but that's what we're doing, so let's get going. If I'm squinting the entire video, it's because my eyes are literally burning. But we are at Starbucks because every day I get my coffee. I have gotten a lot less bougie though, because now I just get...
She's still bougie?
No.
She's still bougie.
Now I just get 3 shots of espresso on ice.
She's lying.
No, 4. I mean 4 shots. I don't know why I said 3. I get 4 shots of espresso. Let it be known that I told Jhonas that I was not wanting to go on this ride because I had a very terrifying dream recently, and he definitely disregarded that when we were definitely doing the drive. Also, there's an elopement going on.
Looks like it.
Aw, they're so cute! There was an elopement. Anyways, let me show you because I'm a little scared. Just a little bit scary. Hang on. Hang tight. This is not the best. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a 1-lane road.
Well, this is the best road to take right here at Garden of the Gods. All dirt road. You get to see all the views. It's only 12 miles. Jesus, it says road damage. That. Uh-oh.
Pray for us, please.
Uh-oh. Bethany's gonna cry.
Uh-oh. Tucker, say uh-oh. Good job.
Good job.
So far, we are still alive. Both kids are down for the count, literally. They are both asleep. So we're gonna have to basically drive around and buy some time to let them sleep a little bit before we go eat. Like I said, we are going back to the same place because it was phenomenal. So seriously, recommend if you want a really good chicken sandwich in Colorado Springs or the Denver area, go to Birdcall. It was so good. Like seriously, one of the best chicken sandwiches I have found with us being in Colorado. I'm gonna brave it and walk over here to show you guys where we are at. Just a little bit scary because I'm a little bit clumsy, but try to not get hit by a car doing this, or eaten by a mountain lion. Who knows? Anything could happen, right? Also, there's a huge rattlesnake problem here, so we're up here. Anyways, like I said, both kids are asleep, so I do not know what we are about to go do. We are probably gonna keep driving for starters, but we're kind of getting up here pretty high, so evidently we've we've driven so far that now we are literally 2 hours from Birdcall. So we either need to decide if we're gonna turn around or we're gonna keep going, and I'm pretty sure the distance is gonna be like somewhat the same either way. How long have we even been driving for, like on this? Like an hour?
Yeah, maybe an hour.
Yeah, so
Not even that long, I feel like.
decisions were not made with very much thinking.
No.
We've officially made the decision to drive back down the way we came. I don't know if this is gonna be the right decision. I don't know if this is gonna make it take longer or shorter, but I'm hoping it will be shorter. And we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna wake up these kids and try to go do something that they could also do. But we are up really high. You can see the whole city. Let me see if I can show you. That is Colorado Springs down there. I know you can't even tell because we're so high up here. There we go. Hey Tucker, you want to get out? You want to go eat? You want to eat chicken? Chicken? It's gonna be yummy, huh? Yummy. Yeah, we're gonna go get chickens. We're gonna go get chickens, okay? You ready to get out? Say yes. Okay, let's go. Is that good water? Tatum. Tatum, Kate, can you say hi? Good job. Tatum. You want the water? Whoa, that was a motorcycle, huh? Vroom, vroom. Yeah, sit it up here like a big girl. There you go. Tatum, cheese. You guys are so cute. Look at you. Oh no. What's a no? Checkers. Checkers, yeah. You guys are so silly.
Tater girl. That's our girl. That's our girl. She's the Tater girl. Tater girl.
Okay, get her. We just got done in the park, so we are about to head home. The kids had a lot of fun today. We went to the park. We went out to eat. We drove around Garden of the Gods. We had a lot of fun.
They got to nap.
They got a nap. But yeah, if you are not subscribed, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.